So 3/4 squared times 8 over 9. The first thing I want everyone to do is take care of the squared. And anyone watching, like, all feel free to just write this down. You'll be doing it soon enough anyway. So the squared is just that thing by itself. That's what squared means. It's the thing by itself. And so we just go 3/4 times 3/4. Are we okay with how to deal with the squared, right? And this is a multiplication dot. We can also just multiply by going multiply by 8 over 9. It doesn't matter. You could have written it this way. 3 over 4 times 3 over 4 times 8 over 9. It's just another way of writing multiply. Parentheses. Product dot. Nobody cares. Doesn't matter. Right? That's not the point. Alright. So now we can multiply across on the tops and then multiply across on the bottoms and get what's on the top and the bottom. And you'll have a whole mess on your hands because you should cross-cancel before you do that. Okay? So don't do that. The best thing to do is to go cross-cancel numbers with the top and bottom. So can we find two numbers on the top that will cross-cancel with each other? Or a number on the top that will cross-cancel with a number on the bottom? Good. 3 into 3 goes once, 3 into 9 goes 3 times. So cross them out and put the numbers up there. Yeah. Lovely. 4 into 4 goes once, 4 into 8 goes twice. Beautiful. Is there anything else that will cross-cancel on the top and bottom? Yes. Now you can keep going. You've got a 2, so 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 4 goes twice, doesn't it? Anything else? Oh, look at those 3s, of course. Nice one. 3 into 3 goes once. 3 into 3 goes once. And now on the top, I have a 1, a 1, a 1. It's just, I'll write it out. You don't have to write this out, but it's just 1 times 1 times 1 now at the top. See that? 1 times 1 times 1. On the bottom, I have 2 times 1 times. So that's what I have to write this out. I'm just doing it for fun. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 times 1 is 2. 1/2 is the answer. Okay? Now, what most students do is this. They don't cross-cancel. So I'm just going to do it how most students do it. They got 3/4. 3/4. Now, let me show you how much work this is. Now, you tell me which way you prefer. They go 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so 9 times 8 is 72. 4 times 4 is 8. And, no. 9 eighths is 7. Yeah, 8. 8 times 9 is 72. So what is going on? Did I make a mistake here? 4 times 4 is 16. Sorry. Sorry, that's 16 times 9 times 9. Right. 9 sixes, 54 carry 5. 9 ones is 9 and 5 is 14. 144, right? So they get that, and then they go, oh, I wonder, can we cross-cancel? Okay, 2 into 7 goes 3 times, remainder 1. 2 into 12 goes 6 times. 2 into 14 goes 7 times. 2 into 4 goes twice. If they get that far, that'd be great. Let's see, what else? Okay, 2 into that goes 18 times, and 2 into that goes 36 times. And then they end up with 18 over 36, and then they might finally go, okay, well, how about 9? 9 to that goes twice. 9 to that goes 4 times. Okay, now I've got 2 over 4. And 2 into that goes once, 2 into that goes twice. And so the answer is 1/2, and that's fine. That is the answer. But I need you all to learn this. I mean, I imagine you can all do this, but you need to know this. All right? This is important. Yeah. And also because then you can actually do algebra. Because algebra will look like this. You know, stuff like x squared yz over z squared x cubed y, stuff like that. And you go, x squared is just x times x, y, z, and z squared is just z, z, x, 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 y, and then we just cross-cancel common factors. Like that. Cross the z's off, the z's, cross the x's off. See that? And we just get 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, 1 over z times x, or I mean z times x, or xz, and that's the answer, right? But But you need to be practicing with your numbers before this makes a little bit more sense. Plus, it's more efficient. You're less chances to make a mistake, and there's not as much calculation to do. So this is the method we're going to be doing in chapter 2. But yeah, does that make sense?